Hi, this is Victor from 5 Minutes Lesson. Today we are going to learn how to schedule Google certification exam. After creating a ProctorU account and checking the equipment, it's time to schedule an exam and pay for it. This tutorial will walk through the learners to do these actions. Let's go!
Now let's schedule and pay for the examination of Google Certification for Educator Level 1. On your ProctorU page, select Schedule New Session. On the next page, confirm Google as the institution. For the term, select Google Certified Educator Exam. For the exam, select Google Certified Educator Level 1. Click Find Sessions button. On the next page, choose whether you would like to schedule immediately or on a later date. Select Schedule on Demand option if you would like to take the exam immediately. This means you will take the exam after a few minutes of booking. Select Schedule for a later date option to select other available date and time. For now, we'll select Schedule on Demand. Click the Submit button. Read the terms of service and click the Agree button. On the next page, view and confirm your purchase. Then click the Proceed to Cart button. On the next page, review your purchase order. Then click Proceed to Payment button. On the checkout page, input your debit or credit card details. After that, click the Process Charge button.
That's how simple we schedule for the exam and pay for it. This certification exam will help us measure our knowledge and skills on the uses of G Suite. Don't forget to review Google G Suite for Education and practice using the applications to ace the examination. Good luck! Comment down your questions and stories before and after taking the exam. Again, thank you for watching 5 Minutes Lesson.